Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to make a project private on Asana. So first we're going to log into our Asana account. Then next we're going to click on share found at the top right corner. So once we click on it, this pops up. So under access settings, we're going to click on my workspace. So as you can see, there's the private to members option. So we're going to click on it. So as you can see, only invited members can access this project. So this is how you make your project private. It's a very simple step. But if you guys want to reverse it back again, all you have to do is click on share again. Then you guys can select the my workspace option. So that's how you do it. It's a very simple step. As I told you, we also have different videos in our how to tutorial playlist. Make sure to check them out as we've been posting daily. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.